How to make AI generated images using Canva. Hey everyone, it's Maria here with Essetino and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. So what we're going to do to make an AI generated image is in the home page, if you go to the left here, you'll see here it says Canva AI. So we'll click on that. And then we have a couple options here. You can do an AI design, image, document, code, video, clips. There's lots of options, but today we're going to click on image. So once you click on image, you're going to put your description here of what you want. The more detailed, the better. You can click on the style you want, which I'll show you, and the aspect ratio as well. So in this case, we'll put in a professional woman working on her laptop in a coffee shop. And not super detailed, but we can always go in and edit it after the fact if you want something further. As far as style, there's tons of styles to choose from. You don't actually have to pick any. You don't have to pick a style, but if you know exactly what you're looking for, then you can pick from all the styles here. So in this case, let's just go with smart and see what we get. And I want mine to be a 1-to-1 aspect ratio. So we'll click on this and it does take a couple seconds for everything to load. And so you'll see here, these are the returns that we got. So we have 4 different images here. And if you don't like any of them, you can actually click on these 3 dots and you can click bad result, or you can click good result if this is actually what you like. And you can do that with the individual ones as well. You can click on the 3 dots and you can use the image. You can say it's good, you can say it's bad, and you can kind of train Canva AI to figure out what it is that you want. So in this case, because we didn't really go super detailed, we got a bit of a vague response here. But I can change this now and I can go back and say I want a professional woman working on her laptop in a busy, bright, fun coffee shop and see what I get that way. If you want her to be blonde, you can say blonde. If you want her to wear glasses, let's say this professional woman wearing wearing glasses. Let's see what we get here. Okay, so a bit of a different output here. I personally like this one, so I'm going to go with that. So if I click on it, it's going to prompt me to a page here where I can make a poster, I can create an Instagram post. But what I usually look for in the image that I create is boost resolution, because if you do want to use this in a Canva design, you want it to have the best resolution. So we'll click on boost resolution here. And also, before I do that, you can also change things within the image. So you can further add to what AI has given you with more prompts once you click on the image that you like the most. Okay, so we have our boosted image here. It says boosted resolution right here. And so we'll click again. You can click on the 3 dots. You can go to use image. You can say if it's good, bad, if you want to move, copy it. And then you can also just click on edit, or you can download it by hitting this button right here. So we'll just click edit and it's going to automatically put it in a design for you. So from here, you can make it bigger, smaller, you can remove backgrounds, you can add elements, you can turn it into whatever it is that you actually want. Okay, so I hope this helps. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, let me know in the comments below or by hitting the thumbs up button. That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.